Good evening, my people. Welcome to Reason Together. My name is Hadiza Pasman Muhammad. My sisters and brother, I want to talk to you this evening. Wetin be that thing wey you don discover about yourself? Wetin be the dream wey you dey dream about yourself? Wetin be the movement wey you wan move about yourself? My sister, my brother, if you don discover say yes, na wetin I wan be, na wetin I wan do, na wetin I wan do, every day you dey talk am, morning and night, you no go let people hear word, na wetin you dey talk. I wan be this o, I wan do this o, I wan do that o, and you are waiting for somebody wey go hold your hand say, my sister, my brother, oya stand up, start do this, do that. Na lie. Some people dey even dey blame people. I for don do this o, na this person, I tell her to give me money, e no give me. I for don do this o, na money na im hold me so. Who tell you say na money na im hold you? Na you hold yourself if you don know. I swear, na you hold yourself. Na you that brother, na you that sister, na you hold yourself. You know wetin be your problem? If I come out, people go laugh me. People go say I no sabi talk. People go say I no sabi speak. People go say I no go school. People go say I no do this. Na wetin be your problem? Na that one na be your big problem. And if you no throw away all those things, stand up and work on yourself, you will remain like that. I'm telling you the truth. You will remain like that. Because you know why? You refuse to work on yourself. You refuse to come out. You refuse to tell them say yes. Anyhow when they laugh me, I no care. You go look people mouth. You dey look people mouth. Wetin people go talk? Wetin people go do this? Wetin people go do that? You refuse to come out. And you carry phone. Hey, Susanna, abeg, if you say as the thing dey hot now, oh, Susanna, give me this. Susanna, give me that. Will you stop that? My sisters and brother, stop it. I say stop it. If you come out, if you want make you be somebody, let them talk about you. I'm telling you the truth. If you want to be somebody, my sister, my brother, let them talk about you. Because if they not talk about you, you are nobody. If they not talk about you, you can never be somebody into this world. I'm telling you. You want to look wetin Maggie go talk. You want to look wetin Susanna go talk. You want to look wetin Uche go talk. See that there? They wait. You be gay. Your own to waka piam 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 piam. Because you know what make people laugh you. You know what come out. You know what can do something. You know what can stand up on your feet. How much will they go give you? Come. My sister, how much will you think say that boy, that man go give you? Stay there, make you dey deceive yourself. Stay there, dey deceive yourself. By the time you stay there, you deceive yourself finish. When you wake up, you go tell yourself thank you. Yes, so I'm telling you the truth. If you dey expect to say yes, in this my Facebook Wazobia, I go speak Fune. Not here. I no even get Fune to give you. Because na like this e dey. Kontane, pa. Na be the English wey I carry come. If you dey expect everybody to like you. That means you're not even serious. Because as you come out, people will hate you. Why people will like you? Everybody must not like you. I swear, everybody must not like you. But that one no go me say you no go stand up. Emiome no zao, emiome no kpoto, emuhe, data, wari phone, uwe gyono gyana. Ah, sister, oh eto, o top one high. Ah, keonare now, uwe gyona. Ah, my sister, oh eto, keonare now. Instead nu kare pa homza, ukeora, ukeuwi, ukeeda, norari pegona. Ah, diza, no. Iza gomiena. Wa yegbe, wa paho, aragie. My sister, let them laugh at you. I swear, last, that laugh, where they laugh at you so, you go carry you go somewhere. Regina Daniel marry old man. He marry old man. Look at Regina Daniel today. Now he got the whole world now. He dey on top. She dey on top. Now she dey there now. Who was there again? Now she dey on top. Where she dey work hard. Where she dey there, they work hard. People dey laugh at stupid girl. You marry old man. You do this today. Regina Daniel. Now she dey on top. So who will talk about her again? She don't make calm. And you dey there. You allow people to weigh you down. You dey look Uche face. My sister, Uche get face where you dey look. Stand up on your feet. Thank you very much as you are watching this video. You guys are too much. I no get anything to give now. You see Hadiza, are they loyal? Over loyal. Now they kill me. Where you guys dey? You guys are too much. For the sharing of the video, for the watching of the video, you guys are too much. Thank you very much. I'm very loyal. I'm loyal to all my fans. I swear. Now me loyal pass. If you see the way I tell loyal, I no go believe her. I love you guys. Thank you. May God bless you. May God reward you for your hard work. Thank you. Stand up and work on yourself. You go see wetin go happen. I beg my sister, my brother, no fear. Remove that fear. Throw away that fear. Use a find waterproof white one. You see my hand now. Go lower like this. Throw away. Thank you.